So today is July 4th, 2026, the 250th birthday of our country. And it's very, very warm. Today it's like 98 degrees. Yesterday it was 105, I believe. Day before that was 104. I think the day before that was 102. So although everybody says, well, put your figs in full sun and warmth is good, too much of a good thing can also be detrimental, even to figs. So let's take a look. I know what we're doing is watering them twice a day, and that's been helping a lot. Water them once in the morning before the sun gets real hot, and then again in the early evening, right around 6, when the sun is still up but not quite as hot. So let's take a look at what we're getting from that. And they're nice. Nice. Next we have a Black Creek. The leaves also look really good, but you can see they're starting to hang a little bit. And that's a result of the heat and not enough water being sent up to rejuvenate the leaves and the fruit. So this one here is definitely going to need another watering later on today. Okay, so here we are at Fig Row. A lot of these trees look really good, nice and healthy, but the leaves also are hanging a bit. You want them to stand out nice and strong and proud. And these normally do, but because of these extreme heat, the temperatures, this is what happens. So you have to be careful if you don't make arrangements for watering. If you go away for a couple of days, your trees will suffer. It won't kill them, but they'll suffer. Luckily, with this heat, I had no intention of going anywhere, so we were around. Like I mentioned, we're watering twice a day. So these guys aren't really getting too beat up. So again, later on this afternoon, about 6-ish, they will get a nice drink, and they'll probably really appreciate it by then. So here are a few of my in-ground trees. All three of these died down to the ground last year, or should I say this year, because of the severe winter we had. And all three of them have come back. This first one is a dark Portuguese. I'm very pleased it's come back the way it is, nice and strong. And if we can see it, it's even starting a little fig. So that's nice. Tree's doing well. This is an I-258. Also came back nice and strong. No figs, but that's okay. It may still set some figlets, but if it does, may not be enough time for them to ripen anyway. Chicago Hardy. This one did set quite a few figs. Actually, excuse me. I actually topped it recently, and since then it's grown tremendously. My Desert King, which I was sure died, is coming back too. And last but not least, this is a Celeste that I had in the ground on the side of my house, and it showed no signs of life at all. So I replaced it, took it out of the ground, put it into a pot, just on the off chance that it may not be totally dead. I was getting some green in the cambium layer when I scratched it, so I thought, let me see if maybe it's not dead. And look what we did. just after a few days, there's some growth there. You can see a notch that I put in there to try to promote some growth at that node. And down here, same thing. And a little further down, it's got a little bit of green coming out too. So this guy, I'm hoping now will make it and become a nice tree again. And the one that I replaced it with in the ground is doing great. That's what I replaced it with was a Ronde de Bordeaux. Has a lot of figs on it, a lot of leaves, good strong growth, and hopefully it will also do well. All right, so that's that. Again, I'd like to wish our country a happy 250th birthday. And thank you for watching this. If you have any comments for me, please put them in the comment section. Please like and subscribe if you would do that for me. And I will see you the next time. Thanks again. Have a great day. Bye.